Hey, hi.
Hi.
Are you looking for something?
Yeah, I'm trying to find a good book.
Nice. What kind of books do you like?
I like literature, stories and novels.
Oh, me too. I love reading stories.
Really? That's great.
Are you looking for something easy or more advanced?
Something easy. I just want to relax.
I get it. Sometimes simple books are better.
Exactly.
Look, this one is really good.
It looks interesting.
Yeah, it has short stories.
I like that.
You can finish it quickly.
That's perfect.
Do you want to check another one?
Sure.
This one is popular too.
Oh, I like the cover.
Yeah, it's nice.
Which one do you prefer?
I think the first one is better.
Yeah. I think so too.
Are you going to buy it?
Yeah, I think I will.
Good choice.
Thanks.
Do you come here often?
Not really, but I want to start reading more.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, I need to practice my English too.
Oh, this is perfect for that.
I hope so.
All right, I'm going to look around a bit more.
Okay.
Nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too.
Bye.
Bye.